Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sikandar Kori. So let's start our topic. Today in this video we are going to talk about growth hormone. So this is the hormone which regulates the rate of growth in the body. So any tissue in the body which is capable of growth is affected by this hormone. So let's talk about the physiology of this hormone. We have anterior lobe of the pituitary gland and hypothalamus right at the base of the brain, and the variables such as age, time of the day, nutrient level in the blood, stress and exercise, these are the factors that influence the release of growth hormone releasing hormone from the hypothalamus. So hypothalamus will release growth hormone releasing hormone in the hypophyseal portal system, which will stimulate the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Also, we have stomach, and this organ stomach will release a peptide hormone known as ghrelin in the blood, which is also a potent stimulator of the growth hormone in the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. So upon stimulation from these hormones, anterior lobe of the pituitary gland will release growth hormone in the blood streams. This growth hormone also target liver, where it stimulates the hepatocyte of the liver to synthesize and secrete insulin-like growth factor in the blood streams. So IGF-1 will be released in the blood streams produced by the liver, and both of these hormones will affect different tissues in the body such as bone, muscles, adipose tissues in the body, as well as liver and variety of different cells in the body. In the bone, these hormones will stimulate the prechondrocyte to differentiate into chondrocyte and start secreting IGF-1, which will act as autocrine or paracrine factor, which is essential for the maturation and cell division of the chondrocytes in the epiphyseal growth plate of the bone. So in this way, this effect of the growth hormone contribute to the bone lengthening. These hormones will also stimulate variety of different cells, muscles predominantly, to uptake amino acid from the blood streams for the protein synthesis. So we see increased amino acid uptake from the blood streams, which will result in protein synthesis predominantly by the muscle cells, which is essential for the growth and cell enlargement. So this contributes to protein synthesis. These hormone also affects adipose cells in that they stimulate the breakdown of glycerides and fat to release fatty acid and glycerol in the blood, the process known as lipolysis. So in this way, adipose cells will release glyceride and fatty acid in the blood streams, glycerol and fatty acid in the blood streams. This activity also enables the activity of insulin, and excess mobilization of the fat can cause ketosis. So this effect is fat mobilization by the growth hormone. Growth hormone IGF-1 will stimulate the liver to produce glucose by gluconeogenesis. So in this way, glucose is added in the blood, increasing the level of glucose. And also there is a decrease in the uptake of glucose by the cells such as liver and muscles, and this effect will increase the insulin secretion by the beta cells of the pancreas, and this effect is known as diabetogenic. The increased level of growth growth hormone in the blood will have inhibitory effect on the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland, and the increased level of both growth hormone and IGF-1 will target hypothalamus to release growth inhibiting hormone in the hypophyseal portal system, which will inhibit the secretion of growth hormone from the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland. Here, growth inhibiting hormone, also known as somatostatin, whereas growth hormone, also known as somatotropin, whereas insulin like growth factor 1, also known as somatomedin. So this is all about our today's topic. Thank you for watching our video, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.